President Donald Trump has officially announced that Boeing has secured the contract to develop America's next-generation fighter jet, the F-47. This cutting-edge aircraft is part of the top-secret NGAD program, Next Generation Air Dominance, designed to strengthen U.S. air superiority, particularly in response to emerging threats from China. Speaking at a defense event, President Trump emphasized the importance of modernizing the military to ensure national security and global stability. He praised Boeing's long-standing contributions to America's defense sector and highlighted the move as a major step in maintaining peace through strength. Stay tuned to Global Talks for more international updates.